quickly. Match pace, match pace. Good. Open up. Good. Next person, hey. Same time, speed. No, not there. Speed, yeah. Good. Good. Play. Take him on, man. And turn. Good, that's what we're talking about. Move off. Take as many touch. Come on, side. Come on, quickly. And play. Hold up here. Thank you. That's what we're talking about. Well done. Open up. Well done. That's what we're talking about. Come on, speed. Let's go, man. What's that turn? Pivot sideways. Come on, quickly. Walk all up it and move. Yeah. Thank you. Good. Come on, 2 more. Come on, speed. 2 more, quickly. Well done. Thank you. Come on, quickly. And then good work inside. I like your side. Trust me. Good work. That's the work. You want to play. Come on, turn in that territory, man. Good. And play. Look. Good. That's what we're talking about. Open up. Good. Go. Next person. Quickly. As many touch as you can. Over the dribbling going on. Step over 2 times. Come on, let's go. Keep going. Come on, now. 2 step over. Dribble. 2 step over. 1. Good. And go again. 1 again. Good. Quickly.
Faster than that, come on.
Take him on that target. Well done. Now look. Thank you. Like you said.